PVC artificial marble sheet machine is applied to produce PVC sheet with hot stamping or lamination which has marble colors. It's new type decoration material and popular in the hospital, school, office buildings, shopping malls, supermarkets, transportation and other public places. This machine consists of twin screw extruder, mold, vertical installed 3-roller calendar, haul-off and cutter and auxiliary machines. We will offer formulation and full sets of technology of the complete processes. We provide lifelong service for our machines. We can provide online guide of how to operate, maintain the machine. It still cannot solve the problem, we will send our engineer directly to your workshop to fix the problem.